Hey team, today we're going over the VERVE Multigym from the Arnold series. Great piece of equipment for a commercial facility or even for your home gym. We designed this machine to be commercial graded. As you guys can see, it's a very sturdy structure on the tubular foundation. This tubular foundation is 100 millimeter in width, and then you're gonna have 50 mil in depth, and the thickness of the metal is 3 mils thick. This machine is powder coated in silver, but we do have availability for pre-order in powder coated black. It's a very diverse machine. With the diversity, it needs to have a proper weight stack. This weight stack comes up to 90 kg, so you can do all your compound lifts and your lighter accessory work. This machine comes with a high performance cable that it's the Flex Pro that is made in the US. Also, the pulley systems have the bearings inside, which makes it into a very smooth movement and a very true feel every time that you pull it. The nylon pulleys have sealed bearings, and to even make that a stronger structure, we enclosed it with steel covers. Our engineers took a lot of cautions in order to make this a very smooth machine for our users. As you guys see, we created a chain mechanism with the carabiner at the bottom. That way, as the cables become loose, you can just change the link on the chain in order to tighten the mechanism. In order to assist with the comfort of the person doing the exercises, we put thermoplastic rubber hand grips with a really smooth ending seal at the ends in order for it to keep it into place. We know that some facilities prefer to have these anchored down to the floor for extra safety. We have created this machine and designed it with a being capable to be anchored to the floor in 4 different spots: front, center, and 2 in the back. The VERVE Fitness engineers like to go over every detail. For storage, we made 2 hooks at the top where it's very easy for you just to place the bar up at the top once you're done performing your exercises. We designed this machine for you to be able to perform 2 important exercises: all your chest presses, or for you to be able to do your low row exercises. It has 3 different settings for you to be able to adjust it all the way to the front in order for you to do your presses, or it has 3 different settings in order for you to bring it all the way back to do your low row exercises. To me, a really important touch is to be able to create diversity in movement. And we are able to do that with this pad that you're supposed to place it for your chest in order to perform your back exercises. From here, you're gonna have 5 different settings in order to have the pad as far as possible from the actual system. And it also tilts forward or tilts back depending on what exercise you perform. Once you have placed the handles all the way the farthest way it can go, you can then start using the piece of equipment for you to work on your midline. So this is great for the people that are trying to do sit-ups on a sitting position. A really good accessory that this machine also has is the cable system in order for you to do flies with it. And then also has the adjustment settings in it. This one has 5 adjustments that you can go from all the way into this angle, all the way to the opposite angle, pointing towards the floor. For all the people that want to do their lower body, this machine not only is great for the upper part of the body, it also has a leg curl attachment to it that can be helpful for you to be able to do your exercises and also for extra support when performing the upper body movements. We know that we have all different sizes of athletes, so it's very easy for you to adjust this to height in order to go up or to go lower in order to perform your movements. An important question that our customers ask us all the time is what are the dimensions for the space that the machine takes? It's very easy for us to measure from the top height all the way to the bottom, so floor to the highest point of the machine, we're measuring out 2110 millimeters. In width, we're measuring out from the left arm to the right arm. We're going with the width of 1270 millimeters, and the length of the machine from the farthest point back all the way to the tip of the front, we're measuring out 1670 millimeters. This is a great piece of equipment for you to be able to have at your commercial gym, or if you're a fitness enthusiast that want a overall piece of equipment that you can focus on all muscle groups at home, this is also the perfect fit for you. Thanks, guys.